guess who has bulldozers, and more than just 15 of them right there, right now, on your doorstep. That's right, baby. We got 36 bulldozers right there, waiting for you. Right there. Right there. All of them standing in line to meet you so that you can drive those 36 bulldozers. Those 36 cases of bulldozers. They're all there waiting for you right now. Right now. Open that door. Get yourself ready for 36 cases of just pure bulldozer. All bulldozers, non-stop, right there, every day, every single day, 36 bulldozers, not 15 cases, no, 36 cases, bulldozers, 37 bulldozer, so many. Oh, it's a lot, and it's all for you. 36 cases of bulldozers.